were already damaging Sean's yacht, and we're just getting started.
These cannons are tearing me up. She's a goner. I guarantee it just went straight through.
We kept firing cannon after cannon, ripping through Sean's defense.
These cannons are way more hardcore than I thought they were.
And after a torturous 3 hours,
Go see this thing.
somehow,
God, I hope my yacht isn't shredded.
Sean's yacht actually survived.
You have a tiny hole and it hit a rail.
Dude, bro, a cannonball hit right here.
But that was only the least of the damage.
No.
The bathroom in Sean's yacht was completely destroyed.
Look at that mirror right there.
3 cannonballs hit your yacht, and you narrowly survived phase 1.
I'll take it.